Soil is the lifeblood of your garden. If you don't keep it healthy, you will not have a good garden at all. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com. There are many ways in which organically you can feed your soil to keep your garden healthy and producing. We want to feed the soil and not feed the plants. The soil will feed the plants and allow them to grow healthy. You can use Dr. Fertilizer, Ivy Organic 6 Macro Fertilizer. You can go to migardener.com and purchase their Trifecta Fertilizer. There are also organic means you may have on your property already. Chemical-free, seed-free grass clippings can contain up to 5% nitrogen. Coffee grounds that you get from your local coffee shop, typically requiring a bucket and call ahead, and a day's time they will have that filled up. They will also include the filters, and you can work those into the ground as well. Coffee grounds contain about a 2% nitrogen by weight, a tad of potassium, and a tad of phosphorus. You want to work those coffee grounds in as if you just broadcast them. The nitrogen will evaporate into the atmosphere. The acidity that once was in the coffee has been brewed out, so you don't have to worry about that messing with your soil pH. You can certainly use compost to top off your raised beds, your containers, or top dress your ground garden. Whatever the means are, you want to do it organically. You can also grow plants like comfrey that contain a lot of nutrients in which you can work into your soil as the plant leaf that begins to break down. Feed your soil, not your plants, and have a healthy garden. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com.